Now, we have just learned that mass of electron is very less. It is almost negligible, 1 by 1837. So, from where does the mass of an atom come? From proton and neutron. So, atomic mass is equal to number of neutrons plus protons. And what is atomic number? Atomic number is number of protons. Let us take the case of carbon. Now, carbon has 6 protons. So, that means its atomic number is 6, and the neutrons are also 6. So, atomic mass number is 6 plus 6, that is 12. In case of oxygen, the atomic number is 8, so that is the proton number, and neutron number is also 8. So, total number is, or the atomic mass number is 16. So, when we talk of atomic number, we are talking of proton, but because proton number and electron number is same, so this will also tell us the number of electrons in an atom.